That is insane. Yes, let's try it. Hi guys, so for today's video, I have a really exciting one. I'm so excited for this. I swear I say I have a really exciting one every single time, but to me, Lush is just so exciting. So I have 3 more of the, yeah, spoiler, you know me, I'm just awful. I was originally gonna get 2, but then I ended up getting 3. I just couldn't stop myself. So yeah, I have the 3 in here that I'll share with you guys, and then I'll go through what I actually think of the yuzu and cocoa that I got sent, because I've had obviously a few days to try it out, so I'll share my thoughts on that one with you as well. Really quick before I get into this, there was a couple of things I wanted to mention. It won't take too long. I wasn't going to mention this because I didn't want to like push it on you guys, but somebody in my last video commented and said I should mention it, so I'm gonna. I basically have a Lush affiliate link now, so it's basically if you click on it and you shop through that link, so you purchase something and check out, pay for it, I will get a little bit of commission from it. Now this is no pressure or anything, but if you did want to purchase something soon and you want to help me out, earn a few little pennies to help with my channel, then you can just click that link in the description and check out via that way, and I'll get a few little pennies to put back into this channel and you guys, which will be exciting. And another little thing which I forgot to mention, I was meant to mention it like 2 videos ago and I forgot. There is this thing on YouTube called Super Thanks where you can donate a bit of money to creators to help with their channel if you want to. Again, I'm not asking you guys for that, don't worry. But there was somebody on my Lush collection video that donated, like, to me, a really good amount of money. Like, it's quite a few hours of work in the UK, I would say, that they donated me, and it just came out of nowhere, and I just wanted to say thank you if that was you, because yeah, I couldn't not say thank you. It just felt a bit like so if that was you that donated that money, then I just want you to know that I'm so grateful and that means the world to me, and you're a very, very lovely, kind person and I did not expect that, but thank you if you did. Anywho, there's those 2 little things out the way. I just needed to say those. Also, if you're new here, my name is Charlie. I do a lot of Lush videos, and yeah, if you like Lush, then please do subscribe. It'll make my day. Okay, enough rambling, Charlie. Let's get into this now, what we've all been waiting for. How am I going to cut you open? Nails? Right, I've just chucked some of the packing peanuts out. So we've got our stuff here. If you know me and you've watched my previous Lush community videos, then you probably know what 3 ones are in this box. But if you don't, we'll try and keep it a surprise. I've got 2 body sprays and 1 perfume to share with you. I'm just going to randomly pluck one out. It is the body sprays that are sticking out. So let's just pluck one out together, shall we? The one, is this the one I'm using? No, I can't lie, I'm equally excited for all of them. I'm not going to lie to you, I don't think I've got a favourite. But first up we have Cinders. Oh, is it going to focus? Oh, I've got the shower gel here so that we can compare the scents and see if they're the same. I'm really excited. Right, I need to dedicate areas for each one, don't I? I'll do Cinders here. Right, this is so exciting. Blooming God. Oh, that is insane. It is hella strong. It smells exactly the same. I can't smell this as well now because I've just smelled this and it's really, really strong. I would say they smell pretty much the same. I think this might be a smell more almondy, but I think it's just because it's a lot stronger than this, that all of the ingredients that are in here are just like amplified in this, if that makes sense. Oh. The ingredients are covered on this. Hang on. So in here we've got cinnamon leaf oil, Brazilian orange oil, almond essential oil, cinnamon. I'm pretty sure it's, oh, that's not the right thing. It should be the same ingredients as in here. There is actually a lot more in this. Interesting. Somebody, I think it was on TikTok, I was chatting to a girl and she wasn't going to get this because somebody told her that it was very clovey, but I don't think there's actually any clove in here, and I don't think it's particularly clovey. I think it's more, very much more cinnamon almond, and I wouldn't have minded if it was clovey, to be fair, because I love clove. That is insane. Sorry, I've just put the blinds down. These parcels have got delivered about 3 o'clock, and it's right at that time where the sun just sets on the side of my house and gets really irritating. So I do apologise for that. Yes, definitely yes. Sorry, I didn't read the front. The front says, wait no more for the cosy warmth of autumn. Take the best bits of the season with you and spritz on the go with spicy notes of cinnamon, Brazilian orange and almond oils. That is gorgeous. The perfect autumnal scent. I guarantee if you spray this, wear this outside, people will be asking you what you're wearing. Yes. I'm so happy with that. Sorry, I'm so elaborate, but I'm just pumped, man. I'm really excited for this drop. I love a community fragrance drop. I think they're one of my absolute favourites. I just can't get enough of them. Right, next body spray. Yes. Sorry, I just remembered what it was. I got it. I did. I couldn't resist. So we got the Old Songs Awakening. This was the third on my list. So I was originally only going to get the first two. This was the third one, so I wasn't going to get it. Then when I was checking out, I was like, I will regret not getting that, because on the last drop with the Super Milk, I didn't get it and I regretted not getting it. Okay, I've just spoiled what the perfume is, but never mind. So I really regretted not getting that, so I had to get it this time. And I knew if I didn't get this to try, I would regret it, and I can't guarantee that it's going to come back in another drop like the Super Milk did. So straight in my basket, she had to go. So yeah, we got her as well. The front says, inspired by the passing down of knowledge from generation to generation, this scent holds out its arms and pulls you in with a sweet, reassuring embrace. Let's read the ingredients, then we'll have a sniff. So we've got Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Absolute, Bergamot, Olibanum, cinnamon, alcohol. Those are the main sort of ingredients in there. I don't have a scrub to smell, unfortunately, to compare it to, because I used it all up. But with the scrub, at first I liked it. I wasn't like, wow, it's my favourite. Then towards the end, as I was starting to run out of the scrub, I really, really enjoyed it. And obviously I couldn't get it again because it was limited edition for, was it Mother's Day or Valentine's? Mother's Day? I think it was Mother's Day. So yeah, I'm glad that we've got a little spray. Let's have a go. I'll pop it on this hand. I don't know where I'm going to put the perfume, perhaps here. Just 2 little pumps. Holy moly! That is insane. Sorry, I've said insane about 1,000 times in this video. That is amazing. That smells just like the scrub, just like it. As soon as I spritzed that, it was like just smelling the tub of scrub. It's settling. Something is coming out a little bit more than others. It literally smells just like it at the beginning, and then it settles a little bit differently. Maybe it's my skin. It settles a little bit more apple-y, which is really bizarre because there's no apples in it. I sprayed it in 2 different places just to check it's not my wrist or something, I don't know. So yeah, that is really nice. Maybe I'll do a video testing these out for a couple of days and then giving you full reviews on them, so it's not just initial impressions, you know, because it might be different on clothes, but I don't want to spray it on my clothes right now because I'm going to use the other fragrance in a minute and I don't want to like distort anything, you know. Wow, it's like changing. Now it smells more like cocoa-y, like vanilla-y. That's exciting though. I think I might do another video reviewing them. Let me know if you want that. So there'll be 3 that I can test over the next week or so, I'd say maybe. And then I can give you a full review if you like. But I'm glad I got that. I'm very glad that that is in my collection and I have it. I would have been very sad if I hadn't have got it. I know I would have. As soon as it sold out, I would have had FOMO real bad. So I'm glad I did pick it up. Right, lastly in here, there is a perfume, which I'm very excited about. I saw in other countries, their perfumes were in black boxes. That would have been quite nice if they were in black boxes. What have we got? I mean, I did just spoil it earlier, but... Ooh. Ooh. Focus. There we go. We got Super Milk. Now, with the Super Milk, I have heard that they reformulated it slightly. So I didn't get the last Super Milk, so I don't know. I didn't smell that. I don't know. I think there was an issue that it just didn't smell the same as the hair primer, and that's obviously what you would want because everybody is obsessed with the Super Milk hair primer. I am, and I'm running out. I really need to grab another. I'm getting so scared of running out of this and not having another to fall back on. So yeah, we've got both of these here so I can compare them. I think, I want to say they added, I want to say almond oil or something in here that I think that was the ingredient, don't quote me, that will change it to smell more like Super Milk. So in here there's Litzia Cubeba oil, Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Absolute, Almond Essential oil. Let's try it. I don't actually know where to spray this. Should I spray it here? Oh, okay, I need to spray it somewhere better than that. That's not a very good place to smell, is it? I'll spray it here. I'm gonna let that dry down, but that does smell like Super Milk. It does. Very good. Very, very good. I think they smell the same. Now, obviously, Super Milk is a very strong smelling product anyway. If you put this on your hair, it will last for days. But this is even stronger. Obviously, it's a perfume, it's going to be stronger. So again, like with the Cinders at the beginning, I think they smell the same. This obviously is just an amplified version of this. So some people might say that smells different, but it just smells like a stronger version of this, personally, to me. I always like to give my opinion, but I don't want anyone to like take it as fact, because it's not fact, is it? It's obviously just the way I feel. The thing I find with Super Milk is it's lovely. It's sort of like a citrusy, lemon cakey vibe, but it has got a bit of spiciness to it. I think it's got a tiny bit of smoke to it as well. You do get that in this. I can smell a tiny bit of smoke to that. It smells, they do smell the same, but because this one is stronger, it's giving me a bit of like slight toasted marshmallow vibes as well. I think that's the smokiness with the sweetness of like the vanilla and the tonka, which I'm not complaining about. So yeah, we have that too. I don't know how Lush do it, honestly. Extremely happy with those. And obviously we have the yuzu and cocoa that we got the other day. If you're new here and you haven't seen my previous video, I did a video just unboxing this one that I got that I very kindly got sent. And yeah, I've tried this for a few days. I originally thought it was rich chocolate with an orange hint, which is what it is meant to be, I believe. Yeah, like cocoa and citrus. Yeah. On me personally, I know perfumes sit on people differently, but on me personally, I love this. When it settles on my skin, it's like a really soft but still strong smelling cocoa. It's very cocoa-y on me with a hint of citrus. It's not as orangey as what I thought it would be. It is more of the cocoa, which I like. It's really, really nice. At bedtime, whenever I get a new spray, I don't know if anyone else is the same, whenever I walk past my spray thing, I'm just like, tss, tss, just going wild with it. So I spray this like once before bedtime, just here, just so I can sit in my bed and have a little sniff. Just to keep me like, I don't know, it makes me feel cozy and happy just having Lush smells around me. So we spritz this one before bed, and it is just like, if you had a hot chocolate with this on, it's just a vibe, you know, you're smelling all chocolatey and cozy. It's just, we like this one a lot as well. I am beyond happy with all of these. So, so happy. I don't know if I can hold them all. Can I hold them all? Sorry, I've got cinematic on, so it blurs here and then just focuses here. I'm so happy. I'm proper chuffed, honestly. So that is a good chunk to update my fragrance collection from Lush with as well, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to be keeping these boxes now, so Super Milk is going to go firmly back in here, and she's going to live in here, and then we'll label her. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I was just overly excited in it. I do apologise if I was annoying. I'm a smidge irritating. But refresh my memory on what you guys got. I know what you were all planning on getting. Do tell me what you ended up ordering if you ordered it, or if you're planning on going into store tomorrow, I think it is, that they're released in store. refresh my memory. Let's chat, because I love talking to you guys. Again, if you're not subscribed and you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Please hit subscribe and stick around. I would love that. I hope you all have the best day in the world. I love you all so much. Bye.